Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Pandey and welcome to Indian English. Guys, there are a lot of people who has this question always that how can I learn English easily? How can I learn English fast? Okay, for those what I want to say that man, listen to me. There is no shortcut to learn English. You need to surround yourself in English. You need to surround yourself on those people who are able to speak English. Then only you will be able to speak English. There is no shortcut to learn English. There is no shortcut that yes, within 90 days you can learn English, within 19 hours you can learn English. No, it's not like that. This is a myth. This is a delusion. There's no reality in it. What you require to do, what you must do is listening, reading, and speaking. Okay. In India, this process can be a little difficult. So what you can do, you can learn some daily use sentences, daily use word meanings. Daily use word meaning. You can go to indianenglish.in to learn daily use word meanings and daily use sentences. You can learn it from anywhere. Okay. Once you are done with this step, once you have a 200 or 300 daily use sentences, then you can start reading, and then you can also get help of some teachers to learn little grammar like tenses, modal verbs. But you don't have to dwell into it. You don't have to go 100% into it. You have to practice English. You need someone to practice to. You can talk to me, you can talk to your friend, you can talk to your relative. Okay, then only you can learn English. Remember, reading, listening is important, but speaking is essential. Speaking is essential. Do you get me? Come on. First of all, again. First of all, you have to have daily use sentences. You need to learn daily use word meanings. Once you are done with that, once you are now able to say little things in English, then you can go and start reading, listening, as well as speaking. You can join either an institute or you can do it by yourself as well, because these days on YouTube, you've got tons of content related to English, which will prove one of the boon for you. Boon matlab वरदान होता है. Got it? So this what you have to do. If you want to learn English, you are really dedicated. If you're very serious, whether it is required for your job or you're a student, you want to boost your confidence in English, then you have to follow the same process. Whether you're learning from basic or you are an advanced English speaker, you must do this. If you're an advanced English speaker, you don't need to go for the grammar. You don't need to go for the daily use sentences, because you already have that. All you require is practice, and that's why you have to surround yourself around those people who can speak good English. Okay, good English, who are able to converse, who are able to speak on a topics, who are able to pronounce pretty well. So this is important. That's how you can learn English. I come here with purpose. Every time when I am interacting with you, when I'm talking to you, I'm always having the purpose. I deliberately want you guys to speak perfect English and don't be in myth and delusion. Translation will never help you, my friend. Translation will never help you. If you translate, you'll stuck. If you translate, you'll not have words. If you translate, you'll always be confused in subject, verb, and object. Don't do that. Don't do that, my friend. Just go with step by step. If you are a beginner, have at least 200 daily use sentences, some word meanings, and then start listening, reading, and speaking. You can either join an institute or you can do it for yourself. I have repeated that thrice. You need to do that. That's how you can learn English. That's how you can master English, spoken English. If you require in your life, then you need to go through these steps. There is no shortcut to learn English, my friend. I hope you got it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.